All right, so let's look at number 9. Um, After a while, you recognize the pattern. Just gonna go over the answer. You should have gotten rectangle times x plus y for number 9. For number 10 is your answer. You should have got rectangle times 4x plus 5y. Number 11, you should have got rectangle times 7x plus 3y. Okay, so now let's look at 12. Now, I'm looking at 12 and I'm thinking to myself, like, what does 12 have to do with what we just did? Over here, we had rectangles. We see we do this. This look like it's doing too much. But if you take a close look, we just replaced the rectangle with a minus 5. The parentheses now becomes our rectangle. And we can factor it out the same way. So I'm going to put my rectangle as my greatest common factor, which is just the parentheses. And then now I'm going to divide by it. This cancels out to become a 1, and I'm left with just 5a. And then this cancels out to become a 1, and I'm left with just 7b. And just like that, I factored out my rectangle. Same concept on 13. Now my rectangle just happens to be what? The parentheses. The x minus 5. So I'm going to factor that out. I'm going to get x minus 5, open parentheses, x minus 5, x minus 5. This cancels to give us a 1. We bring down the x. This cancels to give us a 1, and we bring down the plus y. And there we go. We factored out our box again. Let's take one last look. We'll skip that part for now. And let's look at 12. What's the box? You got it. It's a minus 1. After a while, you could recognize a pattern. And what is that pattern? Like, is there a shortcut that I could take where I don't write all of this division and I don't have to do all this canceling out? Well, what would that pattern be? I'm listening. Yeah. So after a while, you recognize when we have a common parentheses like this, the second parenthesis is just going to be the two terms on the outside. So after a while, you can just jump straight to that. Go ahead and complete 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, just complete the rest of the page. And we'll check back in on the next video.